Good evening, students. Welcome to BMC Online Education. Myself, Harshala Bhuir from Dharavi Transit Camp, Municipal English School number 2. Today, we are going to learn about play, do, and learn. Okay? So, our topic is tree plantation. Before starting, we will play an activity. So, look at this picture. Almost these two pictures are same, but there are 5 differences. So we have to find out differences between them. So observe the pictures very carefully. Okay, let's find differences. There are 5 differences, okay? Look at the both pictures. Yes, see here. This is the first difference, okay, between two pictures. Second here. Okay. Next, see the candles. There are 5 candles. And here, only 1 candle. Now, see the gift box. Color is different. Next, here. Very good, children. We have got the 5 differences between two pictures. Okay? Do you like this activity? Yes? Very good. Now, we will sing a song that is related to our topic. Okay? So, I'm going to sing a song. You also sing with me. One, two, three, and four. Plant the trees more and more. One, two, three, and four. Plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Double of 10. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Double of 10. Yes, children. Have you enjoyed this song? Yes? Very good. So this song is related with tree plantation. Okay? And today we are going to learn our topic that is tree plantation. So, do you know how to grow the plant? How to take care of plants? Yes? Yes. I will tell you more about that, how to grow the plant. Okay. First, we will see how do plants grow. Look at this picture. There is one boy and he is going to plant a tree. So, before planting a tree, we have to plan about the place where we have to plant the trees. So, clean the area where you are planting. Okay, and make a peat. Then take a seed. Which plant do you want to grow? You can take any fruit seed. Okay. Then we take seeds of the plant we will like to grow and put them in a pit in the ground. Okay. Take a seed and put them in a pit in the ground. Next, water. Water is very important. Plants need right amount of water, not too much or not little. Wait until the soil is dry to water. So remember, never pour more water on the plant and too much little. Okay, it should be in right amount. The seeds must be covered with soil and watered regularly to help them grow into new plants. So plant needs water and soil and sunlight. Next. Next what happen? After some days, by taking proper care of plant, baby plant grows and the outer hard shell of the seed becomes soft and the root emerge from the seed. Here, can you see roots of the plant? Yes. After giving right amount of water and sunlight, what happened? Baby plant grows and roots emerge from the seeds. Next, after few days, what happens? Stem. See, STEM, stem. These all are the parts of plant. First, what we see? Yes, roots. Now, stem. Can you see the stem of plant? Yes, see here. Soon the stem grows out of the seed and we can see the young plant coming out of the ground. Yes, proper care grows plant well. Small birds. After stem, what comes? B-U-D, bird here. See, small birds also appear on the plant. These birds open up. After some days, what happens? It's open up and becomes a flower. Birds open and open up and become flowers. Look at the flower. So pretty flower. Do you like flowers now? Yes, very good. See, as the flower grow, they are pollinated. Okay, flowers grow and pollinated and turns into fruit. Flowers become, yes, fruits. See, after pollinating becomes fruits. So Fruit. Fruit. Fruit is a part of flower. Sorry, part of plant. Now, in these fruits, we can find the seeds of this plant. Again, in fruit, we find some seeds. Okay? Some fruit have one seed. Some fruits have many seeds. Some fruits have two seeds. Okay? SEED, seed. Seeds? Yes. SEED, seed. Seed is a part of plant. Of course, these seeds have a baby plant each. Again, if we sow the seed of the fruit, again it turns into a baby plant and then same procedure as we seen. Okay. So plants need what? Yes. Water, soil, sunlight and air. Very good. Very good. So these are the stages of plant growing. Okay. So you understood how to grow the plant? Yes. Very good. Very good. What plants need to grow? See, plants need sunlight, water, air, and soil. If plants gets right amount of all these things, no, then plants grow well, very well. And soil should be in good quality, okay? And air, proper sunlight, and water. Remember, don't pour too much water or not little, okay? Whenever soil gets dry, watering uh, stop watering, and then again give you can pour water. Plants have different parts of them, just like you. We have different body parts such as arms, legs, eyes, mouth, and so on. A plant has different parts too. See, ROOT, root. FRUIT, fruit. STEM, stem. FLOWER, flower. LEAF, leaf. Very good. Root, say after me, root, fruit, stem, flower, leaf. Very good. These are the parts of plants. We have also body parts. Also plant have parts. Now we will solve a worksheet here. There are stages of growing plants are given, and we have to give the numbers to them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first, what we have to do? We have to sow the seed. We have to select the seed. Okay. See here. Where is the seed? Yes. So this will get number 1. Next, baby plants come out from the seed. Now, 2. This is a baby plant. Then plant grow. This picture will get number 3. Yes. Then fruits or flower? Yes. Then flower. Sorry, fruit. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After flowers, flower gets pollinated. After pollinating, fruits grow. What plant gives us? Why? Why we plant the tree? Yes, plant is very useful for us, for human beings, for living things, animals, birds. Yes, for all these things, plant is very important. So we have to plant a tree. So next we will see what plants gives us. See, air. From plant, we get air. From plants, we get shade. When plants starting moving, then environment becomes very cool, like this. See, and air is very important. From air, we get oxygen for breathing. So oxygen is very important to survive for living things. So air is most important, and we get air from the plant. So plants are most important, okay? And shade. See, in summer season it gets very hot. So sometimes we sit under the tree because trees gives us shade. Some animals also sit under the tree. Next, fruits and flowers. These are our favorite things that we get from the plant, fruits and flowers. Look at these fruits. Yes, so many fruits are there, and all these fruits are very healthy for our body. And we should eat the fruit uh, regularly. So, eat fruit and be healthy. And flowers. Flowers are also important because flowers smell, colors, it refresh our mind. So, these fruits and flowers are very useful that we get from the plant. So we have to plant the trees, fruit trees, flower trees, okay? Different types of plants we have to plant. Yes, vegetables, clothes. Look at this picture. So many vegetables are there, no? Can you see? Yes? Very good. Green vegetables, capsicum, beetroot, tomato, carrot, cabbage. All these fruits we get from the plant. And in our diet we should uh, uh, in our diet should be lots of fruits, colorful fruits. Fruits includes lots of constituents like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, that all are necessary to our necessary for the healthy growth of our body. That's why we should eat lots of vegetables, different vegetables. See, clothes. We also get clothes from the plant. Yes, cotton clothes that are made from the plant. Next is wood and medicines that also gets from the plants. See, look at this picture. Can you see this picture? Yes, yes. Wood. 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 In our house have so many things that are made from the wood. Chair, table, windows, doors. Yes, bed. Very good. That are made from the wood. And to build house, we need wood. And to fire, for firing also, we have to use this firewood. Okay, and medicine. We get tulsi, neem, turmeric, aloe vera, lemongrass. Yes, that's all have medicinal importance. Shelter. Animals build their house on the tree. Birds also build their house on the tree. And this is human house. So all needs shelter that we get from the plant. So we have to plant more and more. Okay, children? So do you understand the uses of plant, what we get from the plant? Air, yes, vegetables, fruits, flower, shelter. Very good. That all things we get from the plant. Now I'm going to show you some slogans. I'm going to read some slogans that will encourage you to plant. Save trees, save earth. Yes. If we today if we save the trees now, then our earth will be safe. So for our green earth, we have to plant more and more trees. We have to grow them. We have to take care of them. Save me, I am green. Here, save me, I am green. Yes. If we save the trees, we if we don't cut the trees, na, then what happen? Our earth, our nature, our earth will remain green, and that looks very beautiful. Save trees, get natural friends. Yes, trees are our friends. Our friend help us. Okay, they help us. We share something with our friends. We share our problems with our friends. Okay, so trees are also like our friends. That are natural friends. They help us very much. Plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Yes. If we plant more trees, then we will get oxygen free. Otherwise, it will be very costly. Okay, so remember that we have to plant. At starting, we will plant one tree, then two, then three, and so on. So plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Okay, children. So you understood how to plant grow, parts of plants, what we get from the plant, why we have to save the trees. Very good, very good. So now we will solve this worksheet. What is here? What do plants need? What do plants need? Circle 4 things that plants need to grow. Yes. Look at these pictures. And from pictures, tell me which things that plants need to grow. Already I told you that for 4 things, the names of 4 things that plants need to grow. Yes. Sun, from sun, plants get sunlight. Okay. So plants need sunlight. Donut, no. AIR, air. Yes, plants need air. Yes. Eggs, no. Soil with nutrients. Yes. For growing the plant, soil is most important, and it should be nutrient soil. Means soil have good quality. Juice, no. Sandwich, plants need sandwich. No. Yes. Last one, water. Plants need water to grow. Yes, plants need water. Very good, children. These 4 things are very important for the plants: sun, air, soil with nutrients, water. sun, air, soil with nutrients, and water. Very good. Now, see the next worksheet. Here, here is a picture of plant, and we have to label the parts of plant using the word bank. Word bank is given. Okay. There are 5 words: root, flower, leaf, fruit, and stem. So we have to label. First, root. Where are the roots? Here. So here write ROOT, root. Very good. Then here, flower. Yes. FLOWER, flower. Very good. Third word is leaves. In this box, we will write leaf. LEAF, leaf. Then next is fruit. Where are the fruits? Yes, here. So write the spelling of fruit. FRUIT, fruit. Very good. Next one, stem. Yes, in this box, we will write the spelling of stem. STEM, stem. Very good, children. Very good. These are the parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. So remember these parts of a plant. Okay. Which are the parts of plant? Root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Very good. Very good. Next. Here, circle 2 things that gets from the plants. What we gets from the plants? Okay. First picture is of clothes. Yes, we get clothes from the plants. Yes. Glasses. No. Books. Yes. Plastic spoons. No. Balloons. No. Wooden table. Yes, that we get from the plants. Medicinal. Medicines. Yes. Fruits. Yes. Very good, children. Very good. Clothes, books, wooden table, medicines, and fruits. These are the things that gets from the plants. Very good. Now, homework time. Draw the picture on save trees. You have to draw the picture. That picture will show the topic, that is save trees. Okay. So you can draw the picture like this. See, draw any picture. There should be message that save trees. Okay. See the another picture. You can draw like this picture also. Yes, save trees, clean India, green India. Yes, you can draw like this. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to draw the picture on save trees. Okay, children? Do you understand? Okay. Thank you.